Some of the insights that I think banks need to build up more is not just demographic factors about age, income, sex, gender. I mean, those are becoming less and less relevant as we go forward. And banks need to get better at understanding lifestyles. What are the different lifestyles that people are having? And how can we be relevant as a financial institution for those lifestyles? How can we enable them to live those lifestyles to the fullest? And so, for example, sustainability, it's not something that we can fit into a person into any one demographic bucket. They can be in all shapes, forms, and sizes of people. But if a bank wants to be very relevant for sustainability-driven people, how do they find these people? How do they create products for them? It's not how they typically think. And so they need new learnings of the insights that they need to incorporate into how they make decisions and learn from other industries like the e-commerce, the tech companies that are much better at trying to identify patterns of behavior and lifestyles and attitudes, and how do they need to be as a service provider for those people.